Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tokachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi menseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoroisia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori iriya bantabatinu boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwekirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorolekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Mugasomya nga Chinsa Isano na Ibere ringo manyanga rariari agendereire kwenekiwa NCMA ya Kenya anene mono orogongoro itaragusie county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira wikira amagacha manase bunge omochio Nairobi nchenga treni Nyaboga Wilfred Matunda kumagaich kamera Wilson Makori cross NCMA ye manyeririo na boiga Havira Karire nero agendeta kwarene kiachi bichana marengo ikirachira senchira yo wikirano karibu sana ase Ekeonga. Mwanchi umurigira roboti Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere togochaka cross county ya Nyamira eriko kora kegima ebikoro byo gusara omwana umunyarukana ne mono cross orogongoro agusi nigo ebyombe bibere bitari bya serikali ekiombe kireke International Solidarity Foundation ge kubwatirana na kireke mungano Gender Forum bya twalire egeikaro eriko semya abagusi obobe bo gusara omwana onya umunyaruka ukona asegi ikareke nigo basemire omugusi bwensi obobe bogo chamaiga yogosara omwana umunyaruka niga go chari tukerimo magega yense ya Kenya gochengera litukoliryo gokana ogosarwa ko mwana umunyaruka chitariki sana nemo kera omutinyo kabere kera omwana.
I work with ISF based in Nairobi, and this week we've been around. We actually documenting the impact that we've made in the communities. We are all focused and really out to work together to end this vice, and as we celebrate this day, zero tolerance for FGM 2025. I'm really looking forward to the concerted efforts from every one of us so that together we can eradicate this vice that is quite harmful to our girls.
Sometimes our attitude towards FGM is, it's not so bad. That is how mostly we feel. And that is why we are really not able to bring to fruition our fight against FGM. So we really need to ensure that we have the fight against FGM at our hearts. We go to schools, we feel like, let's talk about rape and defilement and wife beating. FGM is not that important.
So what are the consequences? Then if now every individual in Kisii and Nyamira, Abagusi community, another community who are practicing FGM card can be reached with this information, then creating awareness and advocacy, it also changes people's minds. I agree, we need to reach schools, and in the Ministry of Health, we also have school health programs. I know it's not very, very effective because at times we lack funds to move around, but the few schools we reach, we are able to give that information.
So we need to do a lot, right from the policy, then strengthening our institutions. We were just talking here about professionals aiding the vice. That is in the Ministry of Health. Then you ask yourself, what is the Ministry of Labor doing? The enforcement agencies. Then when we come to community engagement, are we doing the most in terms of sensitization? Because we need to have the entire community abandoning the
Mwancho murigiria tugutigana nayo tugusikabuso nigo bono mambia rero mwana madaboda oyomo croissance moyo mugonchoro aserieta obedi trungi anyora na usasire obugima bwaye egiye magega yere gutumana obosia sobosio ne gari yare kurwa magega yaye kerare gonchoka kerakurukokoba omwana oye kurwa eskuro mwana boda yo aserie oyubo igoro mu bundi ni gokegotebekana ni gaanda koyeria omwana oyoye endagira kerakora komokoba gochi school
Samaria tangoro kupita so ngano mugonchora oyo sirire obedi turungi mawai omosani one naende no mo engineer one bundi yane tuwabeire nere tangu 2016 to kole gasi yobwagachi oikera bono iga ngasobere mawawa igaro momenyi abu mugonchoro kikasi atoko sokanere tuagende gasi tuairana twarengenere igore gasi yari mwembe tugakora marogo bagateba na mambia ntenkoba ingende kanchi korora gantu kakarora umuntu ntagite chikomokorera tukamadeigo kwa mumboyo aboko genda bono go twakorirega agatorini pigipigi tukaruoro kweka umugonjoro tukagana kero monda kagenda mwaye koti mugarende abuta gasi yerituko bono mambi gutwabokire ariko nyumba ngo gende gasi korigere na kia abantu baba abange wakerwe simina omosani o mumuromi no mokora nere gasi ebundi yawo yasirire tuwabeire sana na mayanda manene kare togo tetoko nona nere osire to kwetense abere gasi ankongwa setora babundi twarire sana abere ndukyo gukumya nebirere binana one gentongo tabaneke esirikali edagere kufuatirie bintu boronge agare gentukia abeire karo monto no yo mobunjo yasirega twataka korale binte bibega egari etagete kobogorigwa batiko moberense n'abantu tole no mobere bintu bitakeire ko barenji dino ndabuna bitakeire koba igabantu bage chigo banyakenyoro egari ya minyoke guyaseri gukapisa twataka basigari papime boronge mwade bogatia bo umonjiri bwe para egere binte bibe kwinoda in case umubere go iru
Mwancho murigia na setaro yaye yamagendero na kurutota emirobiro au asense meri ya North Eastern itkoria kanerero nigo muraiwense ari ase county ya Isiolo gukwana kerare kurutota obwagachi bwe pare ya Isiolo kulamawe na kulamawe chimudagashe nigo muraibwense asegeta abamenyi be county yo gochaka ebiasara eriko kinya uchumi yense yaito ya Kenya gukwana asomo chibo isioro nigo boigo muraibwense agikeria ebikore byokwonibwa kwa mariogo yo gotinda annamono kurase county yu ya isioro amariogo ayo akageire korwa ase country area Ethiopia
billion. Your Excellency, at Gabatula we are also providing some spar routes at a length of 15 kilometers. And onwards we have the section from Mondogashe to...
Nyinyi sasa kazi imebaki ni nyinyi kufanya biashara, kuendesha ufugaji, kuhakikisha kwamba mnazalisha uchumi. Ndio tufukuze umaskini, utajiri iingie Gabatula na Isiolo. Vile vile, asubuhi ya leo, nimetoka kuangalia barabara kutoka Lamu kwa sababu tunataka hii Isiolo na ni kwa sababu ni katikati ya Kenya. Sasa hiyo barabara kutoka Lamu kuja Garissa kuja mpaka Kulamawe hapa kwenu ungana na Isiolo alafu iende mpaka Ethiopia. Ile biashara siwezi kukubali iendelee hii Isiolo. Ni biashara ya madawa. Madawa ya kulevya lazima iondoke hii Isiolo. Kuna madawa inatoka Ethiopia na mahali ingine hapa. Na kuna watu conduits, watu ambao wana facilitate hiyo biashara, kuharibu vijana wetu, kuharibu wazee wetu, kuharibu kina mama zetu. I want to say for the avoidance of any doubt, mtu yeyote ambaye anahusika na biashara ya kuuzia watoto wetu madawa ya kulevya atakutana na sheria. Hakuna mtu ambaye tutapembelezana na yeye hapa ati anatupatia Kiingereza na anauzia watoto wetu madawa ya kulevya. That is not going to happen. Tunaelewana jameni? Hawa vijana tunataka tuwasomeshe. Hawa vijana tunataka wafanye biashara. Hawa vijana tunataka waende Tibet wajipange na ajira. Hawa vijana tumepanga mambo ya housing, tunataka hawa vijana waende wafanye kazi. Mambo ya export of mambo ya labor migration, kufanya kazi Uingereza, kufanya kazi Ujerumani, kufanya kazi UAE, kufanya kazi Marekani, tunataka hawa vijana waende wafanye.
Anchumurigire tokogenda asense meri yoburendi obutukubukira rero nigo abanyanyimbo kurense ya Kenya imeyamo 44 abo asaba subati barenge 20 nabo iga basacha imeyamo 24 baika asense ya Haiti eriko chikwenekya omorembe ase enseme yokwana kerari ko babwato nigo muwaziri boburendi boime omoske Kipchumba Murkomen abasaba bachikwenekya bunanko ose bachikokonya enseyo kokonya abantu bororo kobeka omorembe na gutwara obusibore buna abantu kurase Chinsa chindi.
I am really very happy this morning to be joining you and to be seeing this fourth contingent that is now traveling to Haiti to make the total number of Kenyan police officers who will be in Haiti as from tomorrow to be 744. The first, the second, and the third contingent comprise of 600 officers, and now these 144 officers who include 124 men and 20 women are going to join your colleagues in Haiti to make Kenyan contingent to be 744. And this is a noble mission. It is a noble mission that enables us to answer to a very important call, that is peacekeeping mission. We are doing this because Kenya is a member of the Security Council, a good member of good standing. And when it was asked who would go to help the people of Haiti, Kenya said, "Here I am, send me." And we have been sent so that we can go and do what the Bible says in Matthew 5:9.
Is not an impossible mission. There are colleagues of yours who have gone before you, and they have done a good job, and they continue to do a good job. They have demonstrated the best that the service has, the best that the country has, and as you join them, you have people who have walked a path that you'll be able to follow through and do the best, not just for this country, but for the rest of humanity.
We are looking at the global peace. That is the reason why you are leaving Kenya to Haiti, so that you can be able to go and join hands with our colleagues there and ensure that that state is safe.
Chomorigira tugo chigokora ni Ekeonga ya Commission on Revenue Allocation kia enekeria baseneta buna kere county ne chikonyora chibesa chiaye buna eganire inze yo murobiro moya bokwena na chibesa gochia se county ani igago chamagega Ekeonga goteba ni gokera chiose chipiro ni komine Ibere ni gochira chikwena no anana muguno gochia se county chiri chianyoriro ogwa kwa ase ushumi.
In CRA that their formula could only make sense if and only if that formula is applied to the current money that counties are getting, which is 387 billion, then no county loses. That's what is supposed to be the base year, including Migori County, which if you apply that formula that they are proposed into the current revenue that we are getting from national government, my county alone loses 200 million.
Implementation of the fourth basis, we have established what we are calling a stabilization factor. This is inbuilt in the formula. This is to ensure that no county gets less than what they were allocated in the previous year. You will see later that no county gets less than what they were allocated.
Historically, we know very well the government of Kenya never gives money according to the recommendation by CRA. So Kenya will be losing anyway.
That is why, as the house that is mandated in protecting devolution and the counties, we cannot adopt such a revenue.
Chomorigereria gwikiraga bunongo twikira mwere w'Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo bwenge korenda yo mona yanda mange ninchikoira na nande ngo yaretere asenchira yo bwenge chikoraga Chinsa ikomi chomorogoba orero nchengatire ni Nyaboga havira kari nero gende takoneka chibicha na maringo kirachira asenchira yo bwekirano woigo kurwa sense merie imanyerere etorinele Wilson Makori.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Eduka y'obumo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubatuka chirangi